Oops, I always forget, it's dark, isn't it? Hold up, people. There we go. P-Rolls, Pot of Joy. Got some whoopass in there. The base of this is just some vegetable soup, whatever vegetable soup you decide to use, or make your own, but vegetable soups. To hand and easy, like you can have those convenience, healthier foods to hand, all right, to make it more sustainable. I mean, there's things I've learned, a lot of things I've learned over the past 10 years, a lot of things I've failed at as well. So the basis of this is tomato soup. I've got some leftover tomato puree in there, got some fresh chopped garlic, finely chopped up turmeric, and some red chili. So kind of thing you want to be getting new, I guess, this time of year. Get that immune thing going. Didn't add any cayenne pepper because with the chili and the garlic and all that kind of jazz, it's hot enough as it is. We've got, as you can see there, that is sweet potato, which I slightly baked in the oven and then added it to the mix. Chickpeas, you can see chickpeas. And for those of you who are regular or you're a professional vegetarian / vegan or professional vegan, that is yeast flakes, aka Engevita. I haven't tried the other ones. I usually just get the blue one, and I noticed recently in the health shop they do like buckets of it for like 20 quid. But usually I just buy a blue one. However, what I can carry in it whilst you're on foot. Am I forgetting anything? We're thinking. The mind is tick-tocking. I did mix some Engevita in as I was cooking it, and then I flashed some more over the top. Anyway, that's P-Roll's dinner check-in. I bet there's something I forgot. Bye.